Who needs more storage? Me, everyone. Oh, we all do. So a lot of people have a closet that just has this one metal railing across the top, and you've got one place to store stuff and everything's shoved in there on the bottom. But what we decided to do was add 3 shelves in that space to give us a lot more room. Now you need to go to the home store, and if you have your measurements with you, they will cut your wood for free. You don't even have to do anything but sand the rough edges when you get them home. And that's an easy job if you have a little hand sander, or just use some sandpaper and manual labor. It's not that difficult, and it didn't take very long. So once you get those sanded off, it's ready just to start placing everything on the wall. Here we used a level and put all of our braces on the wall. Then we placed our shelving on top, and it's that simple, folks. All we had to do was fill in some gaps with some caulk, and we put a coat of paint on it, and just look how fantastic this looks. We went from the left side to the right side, and it's just fantastic. So much more space. Please become a charmer by clicking that subscribe button. We would love to have you join the party.